Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to start with computer chapter 6, that is cyber safety, that is unit 2nd as per your curriculum of CBSE. In this chapter, before going to start, I wanted to tell that you will learn about cyber safety concept, how to identify yourself, that is identity protection, how to confidentially put the information, how to report the cyber crimes, what is spam, what is antivirus, safety browsing, how to safely browse the websites or social network, privacy, cyber stacking, and so on. So full chapter is related to the safety or security of your network, security of your account, security of your information. Let's start with topic now. First topic is introduction to cyber safety. Now one example is there in this. If you were right outside home in the middle of a night in a city, would you feel safe? Generally it happens if you are outside the city and at the midnight you are on the road, no one is known to you, would you feel safe? No. Same thing is happening on internet, because on internet we are going to talk with some person that are unknown, that are strangers. So same concept is here. When we are going to online, a multiple number of hackers are available. Because of that, you have a danger of stealing of your information. So you need to stay safe to protect your account. While you are online, your net preference is visible to a lot of people. Your online friends would know for sure. Some people are also observing what you are doing, who are your friend, who are not your friend, and they will try to send the request as a friend request. You want to chat with strangers? Generally, when you log on your Yahoo Messenger account or you enter any chat room, a number of people are available in chat room, and some of them are really very polite, that will talk very nicely, and some person are misbehaving person that can create trouble for your account also, and they will try to steal your account information also. So you need to protect from that such persons. For that, the first topic is safely browsing the web and using social networks. The actual chat room situation has already been held out before you. We have already discussed in chat room a number of people are joining, some are strangers, some are known person. A similar situation can happen in case of social networking also. It is not hard to catch someone's name in the bus, a shared auto, or right there on the internet. Once your name has been known in the minds of criminal, a frantic search about the person and his or her details starts. Suppose someone wants to know about yourself and he is a criminal person, he only directly try to search your name on social network and he will put a friend request to add friends. And you are probably inexperienced and pretty unafraid about adding someone as a friend. But accepting the friend request of any stranger, is it safe? It is not safe. Even in Facebook, option is there. You can by mistake, if you are adding some person as a friend, you can also put an unfriend option. But why we are adding the someone that is not known, that is not in the networks? So you should not think of social networking as a phenomenon due to computer age. The reality is that when computer didn't exist, there would still be strangers who would intend to put you in danger. So you should be clear about who to connect to and whether in life or Facebook. It means the information security, your account security is must. So for protection, what can you do? You can use the safety button. How you will do? We'll do the steps now. Before going to steps, now read this part. It is true that your net behavior can be tracked by such files like cookies and malware, viruses and trojan. We will discuss complete part in the next session. What is virus, what is cookies, everything we will discuss. Now how we can protect our system on a Windows PC on which we are using a Windows operating system. These steps are followed. First step, while you are using internet connection, in Internet Explorer select the safety button and then select delete browsing history. After second step, select the checkbox next to cookies. Third step, select the preserve favorite website data check. That option is available if you don't want to delete the cookies associated with the website in your favorite list. Generally it happens which website you want to like to keep in a record, that will be in the favorite list, that you want to delete, that will be in the your browsing history list. You can delete from there. But when you select the option of preserve favorites, your favorite list will be as usual. All website will be kept as a record. No any deletion from list will be there. And at last select the delete button. It means in 4 step our main motive is to delete the history of your website. Which website you have visited, how many times you have visited. For that what will you do? You will select delete history option. Afterward you will select the cookies and select the preserve favorites website data checkbox. Why? Which website you don't want to delete the cookies associated with that website that are in your favorite list. And at last select the delete button. Next is identity protection. Who are you? That is called the identity protection. The steps to delete cookies from computer helps in protect your privacy and you to remain concealed. Now news of leakage of data from website like LinkedIn, leakage of Indian Aadhaar data is now well known. Frankly, identity protection is not so easy. Hackers and crackers can get into your machine and steal data about you and wreak havoc. But in some few steps, if you move to right direction, that will help to you feel safe. For that, to be honest, complete privacy is so right for the government. So the government official do keep track of its citizens, but you should not intentionally give away your data. For that, a firewall option is available. A firewall on your machine helps to keep your machine away from hackers. If you keep the internet disconnected, it is virtually impossible to get into your machine. It means the best option is there when you are not working. Kept your machine away from internet. It means disconnect your internet connection and keep in mind the following point to help to protect your identity on the internet. Very first thing, be very discreet when you chatting with stranger or near strangers. Second, keep the firewall on your PC or laptop. Third step, do not download or install any files that you are not sure is it safe or unsafe. Fourth step, you should premeditate. You should pre-plan about your dealing for the day and not get surprised and fall into trap. These are some security protections that can be performed when you want to protect your identity. A company like Google keep track of your search. When you are searching anything on Google, Google maintain a record what you have searched and it will provide the advertisement related to that such pages only. That is the browsing habits. Now, proper usage of password. For using the proper password, everybody knows. I'll tell you very brief. If you are using password for your ideal password, read this paragraph. Additionally, most websites mandate that all passwords set have a certain format, like having alphabets, numbers, as well as at least one special character. If you have access to your email or password, recovery can be rather simple. A mail is sent to email box and opening the link will allow you to reset the password. Generally it happens if you are sending some protected data on website, if you are sending some important information. So maintain a secure password. For maintaining a secure password, you will prepare a mix-up of alphabetical, numeric or some special symbols and link that account with your email. Whenever anybody will try to enter your data, whenever anybody will try to hack your id, that message will directly go to your email id, and without clicking the link from email id, nobody will be able to open your particular data. It is usually advised not to write the password down anywhere and just to remember it. Privacy. New advanced technology is going on, like capacity database have enabled government agencies to like make public documents more accessible, cheaper to store. E-government initiative is going on now. Many agencies are now moving their public record access on online format. So, making information ambiguously available, even that which is by purpose and design public information, can eventually have previously for unseen implication. Generally, it happens to protect the information. We have a concept of confidentiality. How to make it confidential? To make it confidential, we advance a principle on privacy that focuses on the right of individual tempered with a practical limit of functioning with a society. Every time it is a tension how to secure the data, how to secure the your society. To participate in a society, or individual have to come in contact with another as they go about their daily life, and individually will have to reveal some fact about themselves in order to engage other within the society. So, to protect your data to confidentiality of information, never share your position, never share your data with anyone. As such, we don't take an absolute position with respect to definition of information privacy, which would ascribe privilege to one's right to the left alone. Rather, we suggest that while active participation in society means that one cannot presume to be left completely alone. Individual should enjoy a claim of privacy in the society such that they may determine what information about themselves should be known to the other. It means you should be aware which is to be shared and which is not to be shared with the other. You should be free to select the particular person to whom you want to share the information. You can select as per your requirement of social group also where you want to share the information. That is confidentiality. Never share the information with unknown person. And what is the future of privacy? Now, time is going on for hacking, so a corporate boundaries become increasingly international and worldwide marketing. So, for running a business, for running a communication, it is a common factor that we need to maintain a privacy for our account or our personal information and its transfer across national boundaries. Now, how information privacy is compromised? Information privacy is compromised. We can compensate the information because sometimes it happens. Some automatic softwares are there. They are picking their information when you're going to online, like web bugs, cookies, spyware are common mean of tracking our online behavior. These devices collect information about your IP address, website visited, purchase made, and email sent. Now, what is cookie? Cookie is an electronic text file that a website park on a visitor browser. It means it is a combination of alphabet numerical values that is a code for a particular web page which you have opened. It can either be a session cookie which expire when the visitor leave a website, and or it could be a persist cookies which serves as a record of a user trip to a particular website and allows for easier recognition on a particular website. Cookies is a text format that is electronic generated file that will be saved in your computer system, and when you are going to open any website, it will directly go to the cookies and directly open the website from particular link. Now, what are web bugs, spyware, cyber stacking? We will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.